Hey Butter community, so nice to see you on this beautiful Thursday morning here where I am in Toronto, Canada, but probably afternoon where a lot of you are, because when I logged in this morning, there were already a bunch of really amazing questions. And I told Anna Maria that I will give myself the challenge of responding with a little video reply to each question. So keep an eye out for those popping up over the course of today, maybe even tomorrow, because unfortunately my son is sick and I don't have as much time as I was hoping to do this. And the other thing I want to share about these videos, I'm going to try to keep them to a minute to 2 minutes. So I'm trying to get right into the answer and give you the best value that I can in 2 minutes or less. All right, I'm going to check in for the first question and I will post a little video reply in the comments. See you soon.